Alright, today at RCL we're going to make the cucumber watermelon cooler. I'm going to start off with a big scoop of ice in our mixer. For that, we're going to do 2 ounces of cucumber vodka. We're using Pearl today. After that, we're going to use about 1.5 ounces of triple sec, any brand, it doesn't really matter. We like to use one on the sweeter side, so a little less alcohol typically gives you a sweeter drink. After that, about 1 ounce of lime juice. Depending on how sweet you want your drink, I typically at the club do about 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna do about 3 big pieces of watermelon. We got all that ice in there to help puree it up. Let me shake. Give it a good shake. Those seeds start to turn pink. Fill a glass with ice. Strain our concoction over ice. Fill it about 3/4 halfway. We're going to top with club soda. Very refreshing. Straw, you can enjoy.